said.
He no one just accept say Counsellor don't fuck up.
In the auto say people they in our own side. Now he make us in no one see the one way that one do say he bad. He see say
Because
okay,
if you
he
really
did
look
that one
at
side.
if you really look
Now
at
bias
I will not
human
do
being.
anything for that place.
Yeah, do it.
Oh God, people they like
Normally, if you dey do TikTok live, I still share people TikTok live for randomly everybody for the back.
Now that Counsellor and I be the devil, because to me I feel like she has been hiding your position, because immediately you come up for that Enogie platform, she call the
Say your
there up
position,
there, they
they
make
blame me.
decision, you know.
no. Enogie not try. Not try.
Not
Okay. Waiting.
Thank you for the visibility. Why keep up with your now here? My blue, do my smoking. See what happened here. He said, what was his response after the voice note? Can you imagine?
Enogie not sabi read. Now
No.
Counsellor writes what was his response. You dey laugh.
He knows.
No,
He knows.
he say Counsellor Eke come see the gossip.
He's supposed to use skin floor Counsellor, but no, because he dey fair your own downfall.
They family.
All my friends don't block me because of Enogie. All my friends are against me because of Enogie.
That woman a blackmailer.
100 times give a shot. What did I say 100 times?
Put that wait.
I can't say. They will come for you.
Now me manipulate am. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Just a bad manipulation. No, they like
Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Yeah, they manipulate old person.
Send a voice note, say, if I want message you because I'm also going to nursing school.
He don't jump come up for the place. So. He don't jump come up for the place. So. And not now what they write me if you need that place.
I don't. So to pay your own. Then make your own tarnish my image for back.
How?
I don't get the change for my head though.
You be swagalicious devil.
AJ, did I give you another title?
How can you respect yourself if I say 1 you say 30?
But they pay you for that
They not pay me, oh.
what you call they do.
Hello?
Because when you call they talk and I say you call they paid you.
Don't who pass and says. Never can send down that voice note. He sent down that voice note when he said for me, say, he want to go in fake audio music school.
Wait.
Those commenters, they are monsters. I said, they are monsters. I said, you know what? She can say, I'm a good idea. I said, yes. You know? So after the 12 minutes call, she now made the video in
Swagalicious devil. My new name is Swagalicious devil.
Yes.
Baba, don't enter my video, please, Daddy, okay?
Counsellor,
What should they call a shower?
you like Counsellor calling here? Counsellor. Counsellor, Counsellor, you all still there your body,
Okay, you know, still cancel on day body. Why not they talk that place?
You all still there your body. Because everybody waiting up, so if you not send me all these things. Counsellor, you like Kashawu vibe. That Counsellor. Why you not saying get married in one vibe? Counsellor, who need that? Yeah, I also be my people now. I also be maintain. Not sabi, so I have to learn that because I have very lot of expensive babies. I not sabi maintain. Yeah, but I need that. Yeah, they were buff. I even better.
I too clean.
But I don't forgive Counsellor, but I need to still Sagara.
Men looking at me, I'm too clean, man.
What can you do rich like this?
I'm too clean.
See women supporting women and Baba call this.
I'm too clean. I'm too clean. Me never bath.
I thank God for your life for you. You
My
really
God.
play
You
smart.
never see one better thing I don't do for you.
No,
Then be the
it
problem.
is saying you go just see the voice no where you take tarnish am, where you take say na bad person na this way, you not see anything.
Yeah, you not going to see. This your phone, you don't get network. How are you doing that? Don't they call you sis? Now it's not in school. I better call me, Joe. Yeah, you not going to nursing school. Let me call the
Yeah, we don't back from since even before this nonsense happened.
You better go Nigeria.
Where you want to go nursing school? Yeah, where the shop more on instead, even when she might pay or better.
You know, shop some more before because now your PA. Baby, yeah, oh, go me do me come back. Because now your PA, me not shop some more again.
You Muna, sorry.
I understand me, so thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the visibility. Thank you for this one now show say you not going in nursing school. This one show now say make this place not come, then make you talk out. Special thanks to all the people who thought say Enogie sack me and because I really sack you. Confirm.
Enogie, you not sack me. Now me send you voice note, say I not do again, Enogie. I get see, now mama know that respect I they give you because that lady gave me respect that day to say I was sorry for that word. I am giving that lady respect back. If not, see this my man. He not get boundary. My man not get boundary. I they respect you because of your wife.
You know who I'm too. You don't help me anything. Because she was using me to get visibility. So we helped each other.
Even before
I
anything.
don't even need that loyalty right now.
Just no say January.
Do not they look comment say they want kill.
You know they read comment oh. If you dey read comment, you go for the no. You know they read comment. Plus the Deborah I'll go kill you. She not say Ferrari. I'll wait for you for Santa Maria bus stop tomorrow. Now I'll go kill you, Plus.
Now go fight, so I beg go. You are
No
too
worry.
good for that.
I'm not good for that one. Now one girl with them my city, I dey see her. I dey see her comment. No man, she not dey go nursing school. No man. I don't screenshot her my face and I give her husband.
Y bueno, esto no me podían inyectar antihistamínico porque si no la prueba que me voy a estar viendo no me va a ver un culo. Entonces veían cómo hacer y me dijeron, tú duermes. No, me dijeron que sí puedo más. Entonces, claro, no me podían inyectar nada.
I'm not a child, yes. Thank you, sir. Thank you for the visibility. Thank you for after you don't do thank you finish. Perfect. So you see, she now sent it to me and I upload her.
You know they go back. You know they play the better thing when they talk. Or Counsellor.
Meaning, say the copy. She now said she sent me a copy and I say awesome. What was his response? You know, which is around. I said I was at work. I was busy. So later, after work, I'm on my lunch break, and I called her 4 minutes. And I said, what was the response? He said, just said, okay, he played it out, whatever. And maybe at the end now, we finally, Asha is there. I will not use Asha to do the secretary. That's why I responded after the call, say, Asha is not available. With a laughing image.
Thank you, Azabo.
So this is it. You don't share 100 times because when she also made that call, she now said, you don't go boss game, you know.
Hey, on a see anywhere I take call, and now she just write me normally say you don't share boss game.
This woman they lie because me myself see they look out for year. This woman.
Both of you, I not deserve what you do me, because I dey use my mind to follow now. Most especially Counsellor. I don't know.
Thank you, boss mama. On I see the chat. No, me not call her. Now she send me say, my final phone. I'm gonna see.
PA is not by force. I don't know.
No, they pay me. I so can't see. Okay. They come on my people. And this year, this thing don't stress me. Okay.
Why they carry the thing, they go back and front? I believe now that the shot for finish.
Oh, why do you see the blow? Why do you see the blow now? Sam, when I send out that voice note, you say save it. You just say we don't talk finish. Now you say Aisha is not available. You just say the call already ends. Now when call ends, now you go show like this, yes or no, people will get phone.
Yes.
Not big go show like this.
Yes.
Now when call don't end, now she just send me Aisha is not available.
Because she
They hear
and
me
Aisha
so.
already go talk. And
If you
look
notice,
at
she don't call me. Now she call me for year. You understand?
yes, when two don't talk, she and Aisha don't still talk.
Yeah,
Before they
thank
actually
you.
listen.
They're listening. I send a laughing sticker. She sent me laughing sticker. They see this one. He don't share 100 times. Give Aisha. Me and Aisha do on phone. Okay. I send laughing emoji. She calls. He say, moderator them. They call you. Oh.
She and Aisha get secret.
He said that me call her. He said that
She
me
and
call her.
Aisha get secret. Big one. When they say if one person talk, matter go scatter.
He said that me did not call her. Oga. That is your bed matter. I just write her normally to ask her, say, Mama, see my thought about this, you know, it did wrong. They hear me so. Because she's always saying she's fighting for women. She's always the talker for platform. I don't know how they always they hear her.
What was
So when she was talking about that is your birthday stuff, I wrote her and I said, Mama, I wrote her on TikTok. On TikTok, say, Mama, can you write me on WhatsApp? I can send her my number. After then, we call. I said, Mama, I did wrong for this thing. She got them say, no, I know they wrong. Say everybody gets what they believe. You understand? And everybody gets right to think anyhow they like to think about any particular situation. Let's say because I know so many people that have so many experiences. Even when I on my live stream that evening, people were coming up to cry. Some they talk about their story. I asked Madam to suffer them. You they get so? I say, so I don't really see what I don't really get. We just spoke normal. So what did they try to talk now for TikTok? Say, okay, go you tell me. What did they try to talk now for TikTok now?
Start to they explain, go the rap out that. Then why use this for finish and cause she don't call. She said that they say she call Enogie now. They tell Enogie say that they call her Ashago, that they call her this one. Listen.
I also give that shower verse, but don't let that one get to you. My sister.
I don't like it. You know what? I don't have to be here. I shouldn't be here in the first place.
You don't like this.
Don't let that one get to you. Don't let that one get to you.
They want use this stuff finish
Don't
up
that
for
of
comment
you.
section.
You come back to and say rubbish.
You know, the truth is that you cannot fair comment. I know the same thing they do me. You don't even give them strength to the even they do more. You don't even give them strength to the even they do more safe. That's
Back up with us.
What's that? Okay, what you don't talk now? I said, it's okay. I protect here. Oh, make it look in us. I said, not laughing.
Oh, this comment section, yeah, they give me joy. I swear to God.
Be careful. You shouldn't be angry with comments.
They're not even they talk about you. Now shoot that the fire. Oh, they want using so take key and testing.
I dey read them.
They insult me too. Oh. They know they don't.
You still be cautious for them. You still be
I never play a finish.
You know, my love.
There was never taking respect of us. Never.
Yes. But I never play a finish now. You for when I play a finish
Come
first.
with me. Can't I protect her?
And she not the fit saga. Oh.
Do not keep it.
Which protect they protect me?
Eh? Check the person first. What did they protect her for? Was I a bad person to you? Before you protect her, oh, because then she said you been a bad person. You dey protect her, oh, because they are drop her for PA. PA na force.
I beg, they drop me.
They not drop you. Now you decide by yourself.
He say he drop and you drop you. What this?
Somebody wrong to you to protect her from somebody that has never offended you yourself. You are wrong.
Now what? When they for even they pay person, let them for they open mouth they say.
Now you drop
Now
your
me
own.
drop out.
No, be you drop it. No, no, be you drop your own. Now your own
Yes,
come
I
out.
understand.
Now here, oh, yeah, come on, say she no want to PA. She no be by force. No be by force. And I she no want to PA.
I bet me na wait to.
Because they don't see one person for COVID.
Now you get family member there now.
This issue, so I wish you not send that for me. She for the user they blackmail you, make you wait till.
After yesterday, nobody blackmail me anymore. After yesterday. That's why they bought the
That's what you know me blackmail.
Congratulations to you, oh.
No, yeah, I'm going to GBA. Oh, child goes in
This
the
about the rapper
GBA.
now.
No, very difficult.
No, use pepper, but it's just they calm. No, you as they do this one, so yourself is a smell, you hear the smell on top.
As far as you are ready in media, anything, not be everything people talk. As far as you are supporting on media, as far as you are supporting,
They want quarrel.
as far as you are supporting on media,
I'm done. As a matter of fact, I'm going to my cyberspace American Indonesia. I'm done. I'm not media.
Is there not just about space again?
when Mudiane, you cannot see the truth is this. Me will be the host. I
Una
cannot
dey here.
through comment session. I been on the season that they cost me for years since.
I'm not saying I will say go fuck Enogie. Go fight Enogie.
Yes. But as for the quarrel now, you not go expect her make she come tell you sweet words now.
That's rich. Because the in the say, because he will not say, I don't go like this kind of harassment. Let me give a pop ever since. You know, man. What I do you?
Funny enough, Mona Noves, funny enough. Now only once I talk about this woman.
That's why they call you mama before is because you give her your body, make she see finish. Think you say they help her.
Enogie, yeah, all that small people. Enogie, that's a nigga they talk like over at today job there's a no guess. Yeah, all that small
Everybody
people.
is small people.
Then Mona me double tap, Mona stand rose
No,
anything. Talk
Enogie,
about you like
yeah, all that small people. They keep us without no
God to be able to play game with
TikTok.
TikTok. This dirty how go they play make me lose.
Tell me I dey play. No gay, no gay.
If I get
See what the grown-up person dey talk. None of this sense. That's what just sacrifice for you.
you know
It no good though. Like
they keep on doing the good now. If they kill your own job is good.
That's why I do for Enogie. Now
Now when you do for her, now you do yo. The day when you not do for her, you don't be bad person. You don't dey plan evil against her.
Now play a finish, Jare.
Because they are saying I delete some chat. They are very stupid.
They're not saying you delete chat because the chat.
That person no get people. Say no get people
They bad
stupid.
family your life.
Now so they go talk on me even when me and Mo
You see, Enogie na the worst people I've ever seen for my life. This Enogie is the worst people I've ever seen for my life. I swear to God.
that
Okay,
you
why
are
she
not
see
that
her own
bad
come on? Why
person.
Enogie also say better person? We pain her well. You just
No, why
those
they
ones.
not call you donate 5 million for her?
The money no dey again now. The
No,
money
say na me call them. Me dem not donate.
ìyàwó
Yeah,
I know buy your own. You know buy your own, madam. You know buy your own.
no be ìyàwó dey do the NGO but ìyàwó dey get call as a price na buy ìyàwó you say your own dey your body because me be your husband and say me dey marry you you go carry that person problem put together you go get problem with me I be that time I be worry omugeni you suffer.
yeah, good. Yeah, okay, they tell her
I thank God for your life, oh my
Ever
sister.
since then, look at now. Ever since then, when you come out, I mean, look life now. Nonsense.
The life don't go now. It don't go. How much you give for the NGO? How much
Don't
you
go,
say?
you not beat
How
you.
much now? The money no fit.
Not get sense.
You call her don't call. You say me not the picture.
No, he own a devil. He own a devil.
Allah, you know, if you
Yeah,
get
man,
sense,
you dey talk oh. See wetin no get dey talk
Where they
oh.
humiliated chassis from
Fellow Nigeria, you no get an evil person.
Where they
You no
humiliated
get
chassis.
an evil
Now
person.
call her call so. Oh, God go bless that caller.
God go bless you. I don't know you. God go bless you.
God go bless you, caller.
She wrong too. That is okay. I'm not going to saga Counsellor.
everybody will say,
You go saga her last so.
Saga Counsellor for what?
That one saga get paid now.
For say that's why I do they go do
one
Counsellor.
paint everything, one paint everyone black and blue, so that you live for the get it for people know where ever go. Then you cry. Yeah, don't move on, don't move on.
Yeah, you dey hear me.
Anyway, the guy contributes. He make cannot make you not do many mistakes. You tell her the truth.
As a sister to me.
If part wey you make for this my platform, now God go bless you, Yahoo.
I want to
Anybody when you want use your book, kill you. Now that book when you do, now you go kill that person. Because now help, now you render.
Yes.
My sister dey come and my sister my sister. It don't feel like you come for those your people wey dey do with this guy. I don't like him. Even to put we don't like him. We don't like him because that guy
Muna wait.
Because that girl, you know, if you leave her this stranded for if anything happen to her, now your head, if you can still hold you. You know, the Counsellor climb up that day. Counsellor sometimes he first passing just that the thing backfire between both of them. Now this confession come.
Exactly.
You know, the Counsellor climb up that they come the verse. He said, now, we, that day, nobody is nobody without us.
Yes.
Now you know we come back with the Counsellor they talk that time. Counsellor they first, and when you come decide say the Counsellor come down. You understand? So she comes
That one see, that will not be the bone of contention here now. The bone of contention here now is that Counsellor yes, good and fair. But me, I don't go fit saga Counsellor. Because when thing you don't do me, Counsellor never do me. People they will be saying, you know they talk. Yes, talk they do bad. But now here will be the highest devil.
How we say the way they do say that for ten and two say
Here is the highest devil. Yeah. Here don't come up from my platform as a PA, but she was still wishing me evil to the extent. If I shall even come give me if me and talking the play game, it go the verse put.
Not be person send now.
People tell me say that's what
You don't really get sense.
yes. That's the place, so. That's the place, so.
No saga her, that's fine. But give her permission to do your audio in peace.
Exactly. Hey, now.
Thank you. You fuck up.
May I play and finish?
Now play. Okay, when you win, you don't go walk. You dey play. You don't walk.
This person too, eh?
No, I didn't just see. Win now. You know, we are better for inside room. I want to walk.
Now so one get on that day. Is it the guy better for his ass? He not the year I
Counsellor for you to say, me never offend you in any way. But this guy come meet you say, he need help. Now wait till no get do me, go do you. You tell say, no. Because you have offended me. Now there, Counsellor for fuck up.
It makes sense now for you. You know what I'm saying?
So there now.
Not the complicated things.
So
None of them
some
sense.
people they talk to your husband. You brought yourself down for her now. You brought yourself down for your home. That is the reason why she has it close to me. We have discussed
And then they
where
go settle your home. Go make it your home. Leave people where your husband better
He said go reach your house. I say all of them discuss where.
I see how to discuss.
So therefore, as the platform,
Confirm
confirm and say, I shall confirm. Confirm and say, yes, they discuss.
Maybe carry the money, nothing like that, or maybe their account, their hookah, nothing like that. They get the money free.
My sister,
So tell her say, no. This will serve as a lesson to everybody that follow the voice. If anybody meet you for emotional thing, that's what this person does. And that your friend never offend you. Tell her say you not get offended. You might be so face. Because tomorrow they will call you fool.
Enogie, you go meet Eddie Murphy.
They will call you say you don't know what they do.
They come from outside. Won't listen to you. What you
forced to do PA. I say not do PA again.
I bet they won't do
Because I talk to
PA.
him.
I
You
bet
talk
best way
that.
to not do PA. It's the first step to do PA, my people.
But
I
Alpha,
tire.
God not still bring me down. Because where I get clean heart. That's why they tell you today, say, if I do bad, come outside and
You get big, get what I like it from me. Some guys say,
What is the time for your own man? You not go see her. Yeah, not be like that. You gotta respect yourself.
No, I know Saga
Make it come out. Anytime she come out, she's going to attack her. Make it come out. This guy don't be like that. Where the open man?
oh, wicked day, thank you, my love. But now me don't go that thing, I'm not the gift again. I'm not the gift lion. I not go meet everybody, maybe they give me lion. If I go meet everybody, me not see lion.
no, no worry. Yeah, I see they come for that kick. No sir. That no sir. We carry it like a lemon for ring road, and they come for that one.
I'm not in line a wicked day. Me never go right for me, they not give lion, now me not see.
No worry. Yeah, you know get. Yeah, no worry. We are your brothers and sisters. We know what we are your brother. Don't worry. You know go so far. You go so far.
Yes. I be their boss now.
They do what they do.
I'm their boss.
You know, okay, you have to go working. You just have to go work.
I be their boss.
Now you
As
have
they don't fed me
now
reach
you
till
have
now,
your
I
problem.
still beat all of
Now
them.
you have your be mobile.
Till
Now you
now,
have
I
your
still
mobile.
beat all of them.
Soon.
They don't get so I said no get level yet.
You will get level because you get level.
Una must streamline me. Una must streamline me. Una must analyze me. Una must not like me.
On your age. You better say what cosmos. What I say you see.
I wish I was in a
see your
canal for
life.
that counselor.
We don't know you know.
Nah, but I will
I mean, they feed all of them. But today, yeah, so tomorrow, as a prayer, I shall not do nothing. I want to sit down with them and not do nothing. For tomorrow, as I do what they do, my normal 2 minutes. They are by any.
I'm a counselor. Maybe I cancel
All
our
right, so
toilet
let's
now.
play the audio finish.
Me one really know what you did that
No.
last
What
they say.
Yeah, wait.
Men no cost come again for the now, beg.
Maybe like that you for
Men no cost come again for the now, please.
Yeah, I don't get problem for that. Yeah, I don't get
No, me no. Because they emphasize on that one. Now, no listening.
go comment section. I dey respect
now
myself.
they call her now and say permit yourself. How will you know? Permit yourself.
Hello.
Remove yourself.
First of all,
Okay.
You don't meet now before call. You don't be there. No be there.
For TikTok. No.
You know, about for I feel the call, you go so far. You know, get any pride again for this use.
They want to my platform.
You want spoil your platform. Your platform is already spoiled.
Platform don't die.
Anybody when you did that, you want come out for there, you know say go short saga, you not go free.
Now manage they sometimes when they pay go na power tap now share the live video.
Playing. Thank you, my
Share
love.
now. I won't share your live video.
This over here say no dey go.
Why they can't share your live video?
Thank you, official queen.
They all had to do it.
YouTube je tolérate nonsense mais dans les TikTok et Facebook dans les
We get you get why I run for them. I
Very
run.
annoying. Let's see. Thank you so much. Thank you. Let's see. I don't want. I know what they do. I not be small picking. This is not a shame that no one wants Enogie to serve that Counsellor. I know that what Counsellor did is wrong.
Thank you,
Yes,
brother.
I know. But Ian was the worst of it all. Because if not me be Ian I don't go that platform again for my life. Anything that has to do with that platform, I don't go there again for my life.
Yeah, not they go there again. Now when you always they talk about like
they call me on.
So what's a gara for? If I saga Counsellor right now, my rivals will be happy. So I go for her.
See, it's been biased. That one a lie. That one a your lie. Saga man.
So you see the way the people will take change now. They say me where they go to support today now. When you are out there with me, all of them
They don't know your game mind. You know your game mind. They fear Counsellor.
Okay, let's understand.
Now waiting people go talk. They know say we go laugh them when they make come.
Say that so don't go saga you. They not talking that they say me saga you.
As if I don't they give her line. I make her the saga you so.
Yes, she offended me and I forgive
We
her.
don't. I don't see me like because
on the
okay.
chat.
You see how
I
they
need to
do me
give her a rose. Now here go this useless girl platform Goya. Go they stop Counsellor husband see the washing ash for Canada. They see people they press her, they say me
Oh,
they
Bonisa.
never born anybody who could tell.
Tell the truth.
Oh, yeah, Bonisa.
Really they want us for hospital.
What will I do? She's
I'm
human.
here
What
there.
am I do?
I mean, Bonisa with double shift.
If I saga her now, what will change?
Okay.
If me saga Counsellor now, what change?
You see, I not get it. They never give me. If they give me, I will go
What
give
change?
them.
Because it has already been done. So what changed?
Wait, Karen.
But where my son lady go they brag, give small girls the talk.
As well as I don't gang up preach no. What I don't feed do me? Nothing. I'm still standing strong.
Yeah, when Counsellor call the brag, they give you how you call the fee.
Yeah, I bet if them say you be good though.
You know, say no, they not play that voice note before you enter platform yesterday. Now the enter platform.
He was really disappointed last night.
Yes.
Una super chat. Una thumbs up me
It's shocker.
the thumbs up is low. You guys should thumbs up for me. I'm not fit play the chat again. You guys say Counsellor don't delete them.
Counsellor don't delete the chat. Well.
This is the problem. I don't feel all the people in your home.
Jesus.
I'm not saying you wait.
I'll play for you. My play for now for you.
Why did you delete it?
Not play for you. Not play for you.
That was
You
saying.
there. If they give me money, God, I'll play. Easy old.
That men are still gift us now.
When I give me money, God, I'll play the last three voice notes.
Why you call delete them? Pepper body.
Isha. Oh, that fuck pony, sir. Why you got delete her?
Okay, since you deleted it, then there's no need for me to still be streaming live.
Hello.
Because that's the main reason.
Now, 1 minute now. The fact is that
thank you, Weekend. I love you.
Madam Counsellor, she
Thank
don't believe
you.
say she offend you.
That's the problem now. Now what did they make me the
She
best
don't,
with that?
you are just being nice here. If this woman
Yes.
believe that is a normal gossip, why didn't they
No,
gossip
no, see.
about themselves?
I bet hold on. Somebody they say because if you support her,
wicked
she should not donate again. No.
No.
Not be bad. Say
Not
she should
because
not
of it.
donate. Not be
Everybody is
donate.
just being nice here. Because if this woman believe that she is a
Not be
gossip and
donate.
she do that gossip about
Not be
herself,
donate.
they should have talked about themselves, not about a
This is not about
biology
donate.
that takes.
If she don't donate, people go still donate.
But now she said she don't have any explanation that she want to come down from here. Fine, if you believe you don't have any explanation to give to no one that this is a normal gossip, go and sort it out now. Go and take all the way, go and sort your problem with the ERO now. Because you are, Empa is just trying to help you here. Because you know they're the one that they do all these things.
There's no need for me to. There's no need for me to continue to saga in. Oh, the last case closed.
Don't laugh less, you laugh last. Oh, your head. Oh, yeah, there your head.
For your head.
Oh, yeah, there your head. Just something.
If there's no option to delete the video, there's no need for me to talk more of here. Then let me just remember the issue. That's it. That's it. Because you see what this color talk.
Mommy Grace, don't give me.
Because even the counselor not even believe say she offend me.
Yeah, I don't know your fucking issue. You never
But I'm not
passing
going
no
to
game.
talk
I
as
never
if say she
sat
not believe
down
say
and
she
now.
offend me. I can
Just keep
saga.
quiet. Look confusion
I will not
on
do
their
such a
list.
thing. But me insulting it's finished. It's finished. This matter is here
Thank
back.
God.
No weapon from against you shall prosper. Every time that speaks against you, that is sent down.
Congratulations, give me congratulations.
Congratulations.
Oh, not proud. Congratulations. Why did they want to do you bad? Like, don't talk to happiness, don't talk to good for your body. Now, so your enemy go be Jesus' name.
Amen. Oh, amen.
Amen. Oh. Thank you, my lady. Those I go snatch you, come up for platform. Oh. I don't want to trade you for anything. I don't know her for many years. Oh, man, I not sit or stay on a platform. Oh. I beg go now almost 10 years.
Oh,
I did not
thank you for
she has been my
your
friend for almost 10
thank
years.
you. Your own not square.
Thank you, my helper. Thank you, my helper. My friend give me money, go ta. Say, my friend, no, it's nothing. Thank you.
Your grace man disgrace them. So
Thank you, my sister.
disgrace don't enter their body.
I will, my love.
You like not avoid those people. Not stay your own.
Thank you, Zeno. I dare my own.
Talk about Enogie.
Oh, she don't cash una a pass for platform. I have it for that. Yesterday, congratulations. Today, congratulations. No, not go
I don't prove anything again. This matter is here back closed. It's finished.
No,
But
continue.
if anybody
Oh, yeah,
follow me
yeah,
for
yeah.
this
close there, not close
for
that.
the social media, you really love me from your heart.
What do you
Let
dey
it follow
close?
me.
You should close now. What do you want to talk?
Because if not, that's why you sit here like this. Gossiping someone, helping someone, strengthening someone that has never offended you to another person will be saying the person. Because now when we are here, I will continue to get the issue of PA stuff. Now I continue to cry, meet you. Understand? But it's okay, it's fine.
Oh,
Hello.
thank you,
Be
Mama.
grateful, not be ungrateful. Yeah, look at your life. Can you imagine? Not talking to respect your wife upon everything you talk. Respect your
Let's
wife.
go back to YouTube.
Why God not gonna bless me?
Let's go to TikTok. I love you. Please don't forget to subscribe.
God bless you now. Now do it.
My mute now. The case don't close for this side. Oh, what a shame. Oh.
So say my boy phone where I know they use. I go the
Just to defend
my boy
yourself.
phone I know they use. I go the buy charger because I know they use it for. I go buy charger. Because of TikTok Wahala. Thank you, love it. Because of TikTok Wahala, I go the buy. Since I get what I supposed to do, I never feed one because yeah. Normally, everybody get family will be say they see your name for everywhere like this. It's not really J. Thank you, Roski. It's not really J. And my family they always they call me say, "What it be this? What what it be this? What it be that?" In everything, shall we?
Nah,
We
people
give
even
God the
love you
glory.
more past. People love you now
I
because
run,
you're not
I
there with
run, I run.
that boy again.
TikTok
Because that
Wahala,
time
I
the
believe.
people they run from you. They
Don't let
seem
anybody
say
People
you
they
bad
run.
like
See, even my friend of 15 years for my city, she give me space.
now you go
Good
dey
evening,
see
bro.
genuine love from left, from right. Me myself, I been not very love you before,
Bros,
but
good
since this
evening.
thing happen, I fall in love with you
You
automatically.
dey hear me?
I dey hear
Yeah, oh,
you, bro.
congratulations,
Yeah.
no, and so much love.
One
I bet
Congrats.
anybody when they climb up, let them
I
tell you,
dey
oh,
follow the rap
congratulations.
down.
Congratulations,
And no, you all dey
congratulations, because
confused.
yeah, they in your own heads. You know,
And no,
not
you
go
all dey
there.
confused. Jesus.
News. They don't rock
yeah.
more for long.
Yeah.
And they said
And
they
no,
want to talk
yeah,
on
you know why
TikTok.
me all like as you know your
Oh.
sake no gear, you dey calm like you play that boy dey fight for you.
Right. Two people not fit dey mad at the same time.
If that the way the first time when you take come
Grace,
live, you just say, "Oh God, make this auntie me not come the sake no gear, may you all leave, no give me your dey
you know
mad."
what
Oh.
it be the meaning of a lucha, a guecho.
He don't end that video. I
I
mean,
don't
he
know
don't
the
end that, but
video.
shame and disgrace, Jesus. He don't end that, oh.
Me, I come down now.
And
Yeah,
wetin
talk,
be
bros.
this?
Many
I said
talk, talk.
that live video,
Yeah, wait.
Cause insult when they take bath Counsellor Ekia. They don't even take the bath you.
I bet may I talk only one word, may I come that beg. Wait,
No
I beg, may I talk only one word, may I come that. Yeah, well, wetin me also for this your issue be say in life, just be honest. Like, not be truthful, not be waiting your save you.
And
You all be
humbleness.
honest, like, you
No,
dey
the truth is
calm.
that you know, say when you have two person they get issue, you won't go report to person, or maybe like una get normal conversation.
Yes.
Normal conversation. You won't call the talk say I they blackmail you, I they manipulate you. I they manipulate a 45 years old lady.
Yeah, let me talk.
Estrano.
Yeah,
Thank bros talk.
waiting I dey try to talk, this matter, I look at, forget say, me with you, you understand, and you know, that is, I not be your friend, though, you not be my friend. But waiting I see for this issue, they just they use this matter, one just till they find you for nothing, say, you not get hand, get anything for inside. We or when they really go look inside the matter, we know say you are innocent of all those things. They just they find one way, they drag your enemy, that's all. You understand? So me, you know, we really know where the truth dey. You understand? Not be say we be your friend, but we know where the truth
God
dey.
already dey fight for her now. You see the percussion for front now.
Yeah, you know your brother, you know yourself. I don't know why you try to tell you. Thank you.
Thank you, bros. No worry. Thank you. Wow. I dey go drink wine. No, I go to suya shop.
Abi, you need that.
Yes,
Me
then I go to
now,
suya
oh.
shop. Today I
I
don't
need
do
am.
diet too.
I want go
Well,
cook my catfish
congratulations,
pepper soup
me you
because
rock
of you and
yourself.
white rice. I want go cook my catfish pepper soup and white rice because of Iao.
My
Mo go
sister.
do dorime.
I go shop better food.
Jesus.
Every time when they come for you,
My
God go
sister
wait for
boss.
Like the record is wrong. This
Amen.
auntie they support this boss mama.
Don't try.
Record gone wrong.
You know, since when we don't know for this TikTok.
This boss mama, yeah.
Yes,
I want to tell you
you
something
don't
today.
tell us.
You see sometimes, I don't know, I never see.
C'est vrai?
Oui, là, il est cherché.
D'accord, il n'y a pas de
On
souci.
m'a demandé d'appeler Enoch. C'est prané français. On connaît.
Non, voilà, j'avais vu avec elle. Je suis en train de parler après.
Ami posa mission on a baby talk.
Okay, sorry, now me and my girl they talk, my senior pikin. Yeah, I want to tell you something. God dey with you. You know why I say God dey with you? You see this life where we dey. We just need to be very, very careful with people we associate with. I'll tell you for free. You see, this mistake when you make, not try make am again second time. Not be say not be because say you want help person. Not be everybody. See, now something make me. You know, as my own take play for this app. You understand me? So for me, I don't ever make mistake to help anybody in my life again. You understand me? So if one not give me, if first one not give me sense, the second one I die goes and die. You understand me? So one thing when me want to your head strong for this matter, and I tell you what thing was so English. You still waiting they do to it. They don't want to tag anybody now because now they want to tag you. But shame now. When they say no be many people come out. Now say no be your hand for come out. Where everybody is intelligent in this app. Not be everybody be out. Where no go to. There's still many things where come for this app. Now what they break on your table. Now you talk put. You don't understand me so. Now you talk put. And he said they don't bring things come. He said they don't bring things come for you. You for not talk put. And what is really still play? And na out of her. Sadis mate, wait, stop. Sadis mate do me. Sadis mate do me. Now you still talk. Say, I know especially you go do me like that. People go saga you. You understand me so? And na true you still talk. But only one thing I will tell you. Use and get sense. You understand me? So use this thing to get sense. And if anybody come for you, saga you, that woman, that counselor, they go saga her for this platform, not be same match.
Counselor. Thank you, Joe Francis. Thank you. I hear your favor.
The matter shocked me. Oh, that castle that useless woman, I swear. See that they manipulate them. Who they manipulate you? Who they manipulate you? That one self, you the live video. Everybody you there against only when you they talk out of points in the afternoon. It's all they annoying me. Shut up your mommy, let them talk.
So when they will get that platform, now there be Enogie enemies. People that they call her, now they be devil. You don't know see now they be the devil. See people that they do they follow you, roll for that people, they don't like you. Now you're down for that they find. I'll tell you for free. Now you're down for that they find. That's why they do they follow you. Run, borrow leg. Thank you so much.
Oh, my darling, I love you. My baby from Ola, one love. I see you, baby girl.
This gift, the one that they give us,
I
so
love
na
you.
problem for their head, though. Problem.
Yes, so I love you. I love you so much. Thank you for the gift. Wow, my first time coming to this life. Oh,
Offline, God bless you.
Thank you for the gift.
We not see lion. Lion don't enter bush.
Hey, no mind them. Jesus. Enogie was confused, like he didn't even know what to say. Hey. He said, me they call you to make go beat your own for them. Me, I'm not your follower. I'm not
Where
follow
YouTube? You not beat your own now. Counsellor matter. He they play and they go. We they look where they want to say he and say Enogie na bad person.
Oh, thank you for the heart.
We never saw anything. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
God bless you. Thank you for the heart.
Thank you
very much.
God bless us today.
I have fire.
Thank you.
I have for the love with me out today.
Na pocket no corrupt.
When I bought the matter, really now I get that they know the platform where they donate. It's not be our no level. It's not be our no level where they donate for that place. Because the way you out they put everything according to the way it's supposed to be, that's how they donate money. Nobody can talk Enogie. Nobody for trust Enogie say won't go delete money. Not
God
children
bless you.
plan.
You don't talk.
Nobody, me, I for not even trust Enogie. Now I always stand for them. I make a lot of people
Yes,
trust because
everything
the girl
No,
will
no,
nobody for
una no
forward.
see as say she say come up for the
You know
platform.
say
If
when I
money
find
not
out
go
enter
reach
their
5 million, not
body.
go even reach 2 million, 1 million
Not
again.
go up, not go down
It
again.
not go up again. Like so down.
Down.
Now the platform cause they go see the get mad. They say
What
nobody,
you know,
nobody can bring me down. Nobody can bring me down.
no,
First
man,
of all,
not
when I
vex.
talk for this platform, no mean say person no get
Man,
sense.
not vex, eh? You know what you don't want to do because the money not gonna come again. So you not go confuse people. They talk say that in our own, they call them. They not donate money again.
Exactly.
See your kind one thing
You
go
get
come
her.
Because
again.
now you want to tell me who I want give
What
money.
about
Now
that?
you want to tell me who I
When you
want
bring
give
proof
money.
now,
I
bring
want to
proof. You
come
not
people
see
say me
proof.
I not dey donate money again.
You want to explain? You want to spell in your own name so that people can say so your own
Who
because
the
that's what
echo? Who the
I
echo?
beg go since where your don't come out. Which money they don't who give away they don't give for
I
that
thought
platform
okay. Because
where
money
they
not there
allowed
again.
where they raise where which money
No
they
wish
don't
me
give no
anybody
money.
fall.
I
That's
say
all na
since
help
when
the help.
Yahoo,
Help. I
since
don't
when
wish me
Yahoo come
anybody
out,
fall.
na WhatsApp call no get they beg people say come donate. If
God
you get
donate.
your
Yes.
number for WhatsApp,
Eh,
because they
Jesus,
send you
baby.
oh where I beg go why you
For you
call the
to
money
come
where
face
I
your
I don't know
beg
brother
that
with
now
you.
your
they
wife,
as
you say
diploma
they do
platform
another
today.
thing
Those as
rubbish.
diploma platform self. Now I really donate money. Many times I don't donate 300,000 once, 100 once, 150 once, pay dialysis,
You
pay
see.
this one. You understand? When they talk say I will take for I don't know as diploma cabinet people. I don't know how they do that. On my own, I say maybe I see who they sick. I go come, I go donate, I drop money. There was this girl that time. Again, one mommy girl, one girl where they always they do. I don't know that I can remember where her husband they sick a kidney issue that time. When
That
the
lady,
guy,
your husband don't let you.
you know, see, na me I paid dialysis for that lady where.
Yes. That
You
when
understand?
how they
So
come, yeah.
I did so many things that I never come platform one day cut or say nobody know.
You see one thing, when they say
Yes,
WhatsApp
so
platform for, if I tell una say,
Osas only they work now. What I
Osas
just
they
believe say
work,
maybe you not
maybe
get
the
time
team.
now.
and wait
I
to
don't go
get
say I spoil
question why I
platform where I don't
want
know.
one question why I want ask Enogie. Why be say any small thing go say they jealous her? What thing they want jealous about Enogie? Now what me not get. Now what
They
me not
jealous
what they
me.
want jealous about Enogie? You
Me,
see that they jealous
I
her,
know
they
they do
jealous her.
foundation. I get so many things on my cart. I know they do foundation. I get so many things on my hand when I want to. I know they do foundation. I don't plan to get foundation one day. I no
He say
plan.
me you go. He say
I
no
no
let
want
the
do.
foundation I
Don't
remain for
ever
you
see
to
say
start now.
something
Yeah,
happen.
oh, congratulations.
Something
Like,
happen
hey,
yesterday.
you know,
Una
it gets to
fish
kind people,
myself. You see, come and
it gets
say
to
what
kind people
other
when
person
be
get
saying you
to
carry
say.
head
Thank you,
meeting, there will be
brother.
favor, there will be blessing. To me, all I see
Exactly.
has been blessings. Like blessings. It gets to kind
Yes,
people
sir.
you connect with, there will be blessing. But you not go know, you they feel say, okay, yes, you get your own grace. You get your own grace. But when our two grace come together, it was a blessing. But in no see her that way. May God not let us see blessings. We recognize blessing when we see her. Not us we lose her. You too,
He
you too,
shocked them.
Casablanca.
He shocked them. He dey shock.
No. Now maybe say as he
Olosho they
cost me,
fly up
as he
and
cost me
down,
reach
back
today,
and
I not
front.
cost him because of
Eh,
I
just
dey tell
give
I
Nora
dey
that
tell
respect.
you. I
I
dey
get a
tell
bad
you.
mouth. Now mommy
As
Nora
he
I give that
say
respect
their
because
papa no wan gree saga the woman. Na
now mommy
comment
Nora I
section
give that respect.
of yourself sang
eh.
by yourself.
To me, oh, your presence now blessed that all those time we did that platform. I don't know how that people see
I
how
swear.
your
He,
presence.
he
I
got
don't know
he
why.
got
I don't know why you don't see her. Maybe until don't tell you say, yeah, stop being my PA. Maybe not until they realize say, okay, I would a blessing to this platform. But although
and
to me it was not too late for him to say, okay, yeah, oh, this, that.
Not pride, the warrior.
All
Like
of
I
us
get
in this
pride.
house. If me,
Midnight now because of you they midnight they say I don't thief you wrong. You not give me lion now. They say I thief you midnight. You don't give me lion. You
Yeah.
not give me
You
lion.
see,
I
you
go
see
fear
one
boy you
thing
no
when
do one.
I tell thank God you see money can't give them. You understand
Don't
me?
give
So
me
that
lion.
is
Don't give me
very, very
lion.
Abi.
Don't
important.
give me.
They
yes.
don't come and come
You
to say you
give
don't chop
money,
for
he say you
inside.
don't give that money, give them. Yeah, your neighbor don't go far.
The for don't go carry juju paper go give myself.
I for don't go swear juju. Oh.
They want
Yeah.
me tire.
Also when they give the money, they write
I forgot
they write the total. They write and they keep. If not, don't
And
finish.
how they intelligent. na,
Intelligent for that place, yeah.
Very, very intelligent. And she use her
The one
sense for
saying
the
how
money.
too smart, that's why
They
he
no
come
fit.
back smart.
No, yes.
Jesus. I beg go. I know you feel love. Like
Don't
the
you
Lord is
say,
so
you say
wonderful.
commentator, they depressed. Ah.
He said they call her Losho.
Oh yeah.
That Losho they pay her well well.
It's not the scam, I'm telling you. Some people
Say
they
do
go
this,
to,
eh,
I don't know the kind of school they went to.
She can't even dey mend. She can't dey mend who dey even dey defend that the
You
next
say
thing
now
when she come talk say
Obewe that they fear go me because of you now say I don't thief you. I see say thief you now one rose they drop for me. I not if you can't give me lion. But that you'll go back to your helper. You will go back.
I bet
Oh,
that ending of that
oh
that
midnight they will
YouTube part
saga
just
me
there.
today
I
again
bet
for
I
this
hope say bloggers could record
Midnight.
that ending too
Loading.
sweet.
You message me say go give Enogie, go delete her. Enogie got a fair message, you not
That
miss
ending
her.
too sweet so.
you
my
not
sugar
trust
mommy.
blogger. He go that day TikTok since.
That ending part too sweet so
Thank
they
you,
need to
Lord.
record that
Too
part.
sweet oh. Now that play your sweet me pass.
You say she dey
Oh,
come and see me. May come Italy 2 women fight now 2 fighting call. I dey wait for you. Buy ticket come for Canada.
she
You don't
not
go
come.
now how much you go if I go see ticket we feel like 3,000 Canadian dollars. Well, now,
She
let's
not
another
come me.
500 euros.
Wow,
Now
babe,
enough when enough leave a message
oh,
where they play
babe.
message finish so it wrote delete and they call Italy.
Me tire, Mona leave me blogger beg. Not be me
Hey,
Talk
they
to
that they tag me this 50
where they
video.
tag you they go.
Yes, so
Now
me
you
standing
got
I'm mad
them.
today.
Not be me
Okay,
got
I'll
there,
not
oh,
leave
they
you,
don't
Nana.
tag
Thank
me.
you.
All right, my love.
Ciao. Thank you. Bye.
Ciao, mama.
Say me you call listen to waiting the dust screen record la. May you call user take do saga.
Me, I want yourself to go. My friendship in Nasi. You